12 divided by 15. Here 15 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 15. 15 times 0, 0, 15 times 1, 15, 15 times 2, 30, 15 times 3, 45. To find out the multiplication table of 15, just add 15 with the previous step. 0 plus 15, 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 15, 45, 45 plus 15, 60. This process will continue. 15 goes into 12, how many times? 0 times, as 12 is less than 15. 0 times 15, that gives you 0, subtract, you are getting 12. To continue this process, take here decimal and add zeros. Bring down the first 0, so you are getting 120. Before this 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 15 goes into 120 how many times? 15 goes into 128 times. 8 times 15, 8 times 15, that gives you 120. Let me check 8 times 15. Check, right? 8 times 5, 40. Write 0, carry 4 to the next column. 8 times 1, 8 plus 4, 12. 120. So our answer is 0.8.